Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take trades with gaps and candlestick patterns, and there will be a lot of informative information in this video, so I will suggest you stay tuned and watch the entire video. Also, I will be showing you guys some pro tips which you can use in your own trading sessions. So now I'm going to look for some opportunity, and then I'm going to explain the reason why I took each and every trade. Let's get it. Before I start, I will show you guys the platform settings. So I'll be using Japanese candle, 30 seconds, okay? For the timer, I'm gonna choose regular time, standard, right? Yeah, that's it, easy. Let's find some opportunity. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one right here, guys, for one trade. Now, let me explain something. What I'm doing here, guys, I'm literally flowing with the market now, right? I'm showing you guys that you don't even need to draw levels or zones or anything to flow with the market. Once you master candlestick psychology, it's very easy, okay? You notice there was a breakaway gap right here, cool? This candle right here previously is a green candle showing me buyer's movement, okay? Plus the gap up, which is a breakaway gap. As you see, break the level of the candle right here. So we call it a breakaway gap. And we know breakaway gap likes to continue in the same direction because it's showing us a momentum in one or the other direction, right? So now I took advantage of that. And this trade here is going to be a winning trade. And this is how you trade, guys. Once you understand and you combine what you understand, it's easy. Yes, I'm taking this one right here. I almost missed this trade, guys. If I had took it right here, look here, guys, you see this is a gap down, and you see it was a red candle. The price continue in the same direction. This shows us something right here. Now I took this one here, but I'm actually going against the movement of the market, because as you see the price right here, it touches a hidden level on the side right here, which is a support and resistance, which was broken, and then it becomes resistance becomes support basically, right? Anyway, I'm just here waiting for this trade to close because it's looking very risky and I have everything on the line. I should have took my trade right here in prayer time, but let's see what's gonna happen. Come on. Okay, beautiful. This trade was a winning trade, guys. Let's find another opportunity. Okay, guys, so I was right here in the market when I noticed that this is the engulfing candle, right, and a inside gap which likes to be filled. Plus, you know, the main thing, I am with the trend. Now, when I say I'm with the trend, right, even when you're with the trend, you can lose trades, but the main thing is to have the strongest accuracy or the strongest chart pattern or indicator, whatever you're using at the particular time. You have to make sure all of that is aligning with the trend. You can't just see the trend and run it down. You have to also make sure there is a strategy, there's a system, there is a reason to take the trade. Then you go ahead and take your trade. No, I have a reason. I saw the inside gap right here, and that's the main reason, plus the engulfing candle. We are coming from a resistance, and I use all of these stuff, and look at this. It's easy. I don't know what the fuss about, but it's pure easiness, you know. Take another trade here. So guys, this is the same pair here. I saw another engulfing candle. If you look clearly, there's an inside gap. My screen can't zoom in any more than this. Okay, this is a clear inside gap. For those who don't really sure about inside gap is when the price jumps inside of the candle instead of open at the entry or instead of open at the closing. See what I'm saying? So what I'm noticing is that the price didn't open at the closing, it opened at a different level. So that means it's an inside gap. Now, if it did open at the top right here, it would have been a breakaway gap. So with all of these things, guys, you need to have a good amount of knowledge in order to do compounding, in order to trade confidently. And this is the reason why I created the mentorship, because you need my guidance in order to use the strategies correctly. Okay? So I get a chance to enter in this market here. I'm so pissed right now, guys, because I should have entered right here. I had set my alarm, but for some reason it didn't go off. It's okay though. There's a momentum here, so I'm expecting the price to continue. Plus, it didn't touch the other level right here, so I know that the price will continue going to this level before it reverses, and I'm already in the trade, so I'm sure about this trade, guys. This trade is pretty sure. This trade is pretty sure. There is no trend right now. It's a ranging market, so that means the price is going from one level to the other level. And this level right here, the price is trying to reach. No, it's reaching. It might turn back now, but I'm already in the trade, so I'm winning it. And you see, guys, this is the way you have to trade. So when you understand the market, it's different. Trading become different, you know. Okay, so I see this breakaway gap right here. It's not a big one, but it still is. And I see 2 bar going down right there nicely. I am with the direction of the trend also. You see this drop right here? You see the price dropping? Okay, so this is how you have to trade. And then I noticed that there was an opportunity for me to get a discount entry, and I took it because my entry is on the wick. So this means I'm taking a discount trade right here. Okay, that's our next pro tip for the day, guys. Let me see something. Okay, so we're in a major ranging market, but the main thing will always go with the smaller trend. And the reason for that is, you know, our entry have to be very short. But here is a twist to this. You need to go with the smaller trend, which is also going with the bigger trend. See? Okay. Okay, so I rushed over here to take another trade because I wanted to keep on explaining what I was saying. Plus, I saw an opportunity. This is a weird gap right here. This gap, I know what it is telling me, but beginners don't trade this gap. Okay, you can, but it's complicated because it seems like a breakaway gap, but it's actually an inside gap. All right, that's the reason why I said avoid this type of gap. But this one is very normal. This is the regular inside gap. So let's see what's gonna happen for this trading opportunity here, because now the price is really moving a little bit weird here. But I noticed something. We're at a level, and the level is moving the price higher. But unfortunately, my prediction was right. So let's get it. Okay, all right. So right here, guys, I'm noticing that there's a very strong drop. You see this? This drop is magnificent. Imagine if my trade was right here. This breakaway gap is so strong. Guys, I want you to notice something. You notice that all the majority, I'm not going to say all because nothing is 100%. Majority of my breakaway gaps, you notice that they close in red, right? You realize that? The ones that are going down. That is impressive. That is impressive. And you guys need to understand that whenever you're trading, you have to understand the market. You have to understand the context. You have to understand the strategy. You have to understand all of these stuff in order to be consistently profitable. Now, another thing, guys, I saw a doji right here based on doji breaks. Sometimes doji breaks and the price might reverse. Sometimes it breaks and it might continues. Now, in this particular situation, I could see that this doji is a continuation sign doji. Not all dojis works the same. And this is why I say you need to understand the context of the market, because you and I might trade. You might take a doji continuation and I might take another. but mine works, yours doesn't. The reason is I understand the context of the market. You see right here, this was an inside gap, doji break, momentum going down, and this trade go down like crazy. See that? You see that? Guys, I don't know what else to say, but damn, like everything I'm doing in my session, I teach it in my mentorship also. So if you guys ever feel confused or you want additional knowledge, you can apply for the mentorship. All right, just letting you know. Oh, this entry is crazy, guys. This might be the best trade I have took all year. I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't found a trade this beautiful. I haven't seen a trade this beautiful before. No, you might be saying like, oh, is it beautiful when it's behaving this bad? No, I know what I'm saying. It will close in my direction. The price will close above my entry. I'm so sure about this. Like, I'm so sure about this. Well, I put armor balance, right? And I want you guys to learn something. When you're doing compounding session, you have to trade very, very perfect. Nothing is perfect, but you have to trade perfect. Okay, make sure you analyze the market correctly. If you have a money management, you can be a little bit more risky, but when you're doing compounding, you have to be very accurate and you have to pay attention to everything. Okay, nice. Okay guys, this opportunity is phenomenal. You see this inside gap here right here, and you see this discount entry. This is crazy sniper entry. This is what sniper entry means. Okay, this trade is a short shot, and now you see the breakaway gap. The price will continue in this direction going down because this outside gap, right? Oh, let me clarify some stuff. I just said something and I don't know if there is beginner here who might be confused as to what I'm talking about, but breakaway gaps in and outside gaps are the same, right? You see the price breakaway and we're expecting it to continue. No, this is inside gap, we're expecting the price to close, and then we have the outside gap, which is similar to the breakaway. Making sense? Hopefully. All right, so for those who are ready to invest in their self and ready to take trading to a next level and become profitable consistently, you can apply for mentorship. The link is in the description to do so. And this will be the end of my video. I will see you in the next video. Stay profitable.